Hello, children. Hope you all are doing good. So, we are going to see how to learn Java program in an easy method by using the skeleton system. Okay, so skeleton, we should know the basic uh, Java concept which you have to write whenever any program is asked. Come on, let's see how to go about it. So, just starting with the skeleton of how to write a simple Java program. So always a Java program, you start with the keyword called as class. You can replace it with any class name. Then comes void main. So you take the inputs here. So all the inputs can be separated by comma here. And then any variables that you have to declare can be declared here. So variables, variable declaration can be done here and give a semicolon. Then you can do the calculations. Whatever calculation is available, you will be doing it here. Then the output. So output statement in Java is system dot out dot println. So you print the output here. So something like the output is, or you can write the sum is, and then you give a plus, and then the variable that you have calculated here should come here, and then you close the bracket and close void main curly brackets and the class curly bracket. So this is the basic skeleton of any Java program. Got it? Now coming on to the first one. Say I have to find area of a circle or area of a rectangle. So first I'll write the formula. Area is equal to L into B. Okay. So I have what is the input, what is the process, and what will be the output. Whatever comes in the right hand side will be the input, whatever variable. So L and B will be the input. Whatever comes in the left hand side will be the output. So area will be the output, or the entire formula will be the process. The process will be area is equal to length into. So if I have to write the program for this, how do I start? So what am I doing? I'm just replacing the same thing. So let me write class. I'm just writing it as area. So I'm finding the area, right? So class area. And now what is the input? So input will be two things. What are the inputs that I have to write here? One is int L, the other one is int B, because I have two inputs. One is L and B. So this is done. After that, I have to declare a variable. What is new variable that I've got here? Area. So I'm declaring the variable. So I just declare it as int area. Okay. Now I have to do the calculation. So how do I do the calculation here? So doing the calculation like area is equal to, should I do? Area is equal to length into breadth semicolon. Now I have to print it. So just replacing whatever skeleton I have taught you, just replacing it. So here the area is plus, yeah, this is how the program gets executed, and this is how you're going to do all the programs based on the Java programming. Any doubt here? Okay, coming on to the next one. If I have to do something else, the next program I can do a simple interest. All this is very, very simple for you to understand. So, simple interest. So, what is the formula for simple interest? Simple interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. So left hand side, right hand side. So what will be the input? What will be the process? And what will be the output? So what will be the input? P, T and R will be the input. What will be the output? SI will be the output. What will be the process? SI is equal to P into T into R divided by 100. Now if I have to write it here, how do I go about? See, I'm just erasing only the parts whichever I told the skeleton, right? So always stick on to the skeleton so it'll be easy for you to understand. So now I just start with the first one. So I'm just giving it as sim. So void main int p int t and int r. Okay. Now here I have to declare double SI, because when I do the division, it may result in decimal number. So I'm making it as double. So SI is equal to P into T into R slash 100, and I give a semicolon. Then finally, system.out.println, the SI is plus, where is it stored? SI. So this is how the program comes, right? So input, process, output, and same thing you are going to implement it here. Hope you all would have understood the basics. In the forthcoming sessions, we'll be seeing about how to do simple if programs. Okay.